So we're gonna have hemostasis, blood vessel repair, and fibrinolysis are all vital processes to help our body control bleeding and maintain proper blood flow. So first we're gonna have hemostasis. So hemostasis, they're like their body's first aid for bleeding. So when we get a cut or injury, my blood vessels need to stop the bleeding immediately. So we're gonna have three main steps. We're gonna have vasoconstriction. So blood vessels then narrow to reduce the blood flow. Then we're gonna have platelet plug formation. Tiny cell fragments called platelets are then gonna stick together to plug the hole in the blood vessel. Then we're gonna have blood clotting. Proteins in my blood are gonna create a mesh-like structure to seal the wound, make it hard again, make it sealed. Then we're gonna have blood vessel repair. So after stopping our bleeding, we need to fix the damaged blood vessel. So special cells called our endothelial cells are gonna line our blood vessel and help repair the damaged area. Then they're gonna multiply and cover the wound, making the blood vessel strong again. So that's what we need. Then we're gonna have fibrinolysis. Fibrinolysis is like the cleanup crew after repair job. So they're going to, once the wound is healed, our body needs to remove the clot. So enzymes are then gonna break the clot, dissolving it over time. So these are all important because hemostasis prevents excessive bleeding and loss of our vital fluids. Blood vessel repair ensures our vessels stay healthy and continue to carry blood efficiently. Then fibrinolysis prevents unnecessary clot formation, which can then block blood flow to our important organs. So all these processes work together to maintain the right balance between stopping the bleeding and allowing blood to flow freely. So they're going to keep our blood flowing correctly and keep us alive and healthy. So they're like our body's emergency response and repair team, ready to handle any injury or damage. So yes, these all are very important to maintain our homeostasis. So yeah, fibrinolysis, for the clot formation, everything has its own, each vasoconstriction, they all have their own important job, but for the main overall, so resolution to everything is that it keeps us healthy and then they maintain our homeostasis. So without that, with any cut or, maybe any minor injury that we have, if we're not able to clot our wound, then we will lose a lot of our blood, which won't maintain our homeostasis, and we will all die very quickly. Okay, so here we have a picture from the book, page 680, on showing the steps in hemostasis when you have a cut. So first we're gonna have, like we talked about, was vasoconstriction or vascular spasm. So that's when I talk about the endothelial cells and the platelets. So that's the vessel injury you see pointing to right here with the vasoconstriction. Then we're gonna have the platelet plugs, as you can see. So they're all going to come together with the collagen fibers and the platelet plugs to form the platelet plug formation. So then at the end, we're gonna have coagulation, of course. So that is a blood clot. You can see the mesh-like structure, keeping all those blood clots together and sealed to make sure the bleeding cannot go anywhere but to stay in our body. So definitely you can tell that looks strong. Compared to this one, it looks all over the place. Then it's sealed with that mesh-like structure.